This video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Branch app. So by updating your Branch app, you'll be able to fix any issues related to your app, such as bugs, and as well as you'll be able to get the latest features that come with your app. It's also good to go ahead and look for any update each and every time, so as to make sure that you are using a secure version of Branch app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to access the app through either Google Play Store or App Store and check for any update if it is available. For this tutorial, I'm using an Android smartphone, and therefore I'll go to Google Play Store and I'll just exit Branch, and then here is Play Store. So I'll go ahead and tap on it and then search for Branch here. Now, as you can see, my Branch app is here. It is already installed. However, if I go ahead and click on it, you can see we have an update that is available. Now, if you see this, it means you have been using an outdated version of Branch Loans app. Now, with this, you will not have a secure app, and also it is prone to security issues as well as errors or problems. So to get the latest version of Branch app, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Branch app on your smartphone and then install it. So once this has been installed, you can now proceed and click on open and start using the latest version of Branch mobile app. So that's how you update your Branch app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.